This is perfect for your next holiday party. Let me show you how to make it. You're gonna add in your softened cream cheese, some ranch powder, and your shredded cheese. So you're gonna take a third of your mixture out, just put it in the center of your saran, and then I'm just bringing it all together on the top. So now that it's shaped like a ball, we're gonna go ahead and add in this finely shredded cheese on top. This is Monterey Jack, and I'm just sprinkling it on like snow. You're gonna wrap it right back up, and then tie it on up, twist it, pop it in the fridge. All right, so this is the snowman's body. We're just gonna add some of that freshly shredded cheese right on top. You're gonna gently pat it so that way that it sticks to your cheese ball. All right, so you're gonna unwrap your snowball. Add a few skewers to attach the two. And just place the head right on the top. Use a baby carrot for the nose. And 2 eyes made out of peppercorn. That peppercorn smile just lights up the room. And you're gonna arrange some crackers right around so then your guests can just dip right in.